everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to play Civilization 6 on your tablet. If you're using iPad, it also works on that. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store and also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search icon and in the search bar type in Civilization 6. Once you do that, from the search results, look for the Civilization 6 application from Aspire Media Inc. and tap Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Also make sure that there is enough storage space on your tablet or iPad. Make sure you have enough storage space as well. And once you download the game, tap on play. Now, if you are using Android, you'll need to continue with your Google Games. Allow necessary permissions, access to your Google account and click on continue. Now on the next page, you'll get to choose one of your Google accounts. You can also type in a new Google account credentials. Simply follow through the instructions. I'm just going to choose one of these over here. After you do that, click on agree and share, and now your game will start. You'll need to download some of the required content, so go ahead and do that. It'll take a couple of minutes for the download to complete. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection so that the download process can complete faster and you'll get to play the game faster as well. Once the download is complete, you will then be able to play the game. You'll be walked through a quick tutorial on how you can easily play the game, and after you do that, you will be able to get started. So that is how you can start playing Civilization 6 on your tablet or your iPad. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.